Welcome to this third lesson of the course Democracy and Leadership, a Way of Life. The title of this lesson is Democracy a Good Idea for Africa? And it corresponds with Chapter 3 in the course book. Democracy is not only a matter of governance, it is also a matter of culture. Since culture differs between geographical areas, democracy should also be expected to differ from one society to the other. Consequently, the way democracy is practiced in Africa should not copy America or Europe or any other place for that matter. The measure stick of a good democracy should not be any specific country, since there is no such thing as a perfect democracy. However, that is not to say that anything that by somebody is given the label democratic may pass as democratic, because there is a measure stick. And to my mind, that measure stick is to what extent the local or national brand of democracy reflects and strengthens human dignity through respect, reciprocity, and reconciliation. This may mean that every person is treated as a subject and not as an object. And it also means that every person is honored, listened to, given opportunity to influence her or his future, and more of the like. The aim of this lesson is to suggest that democracy as a concept is not a foreign characteristic to African everyday life. Our conviction is that democracy has many links to African ways and means in everyday life. We will try to point this out mainly in two ways. One, through studying examples from different African countries, and we know that there are a good many such examples from the sub-Saharan region. Secondly, this lesson challenges you to go and search for traces of democracy in your own culture. As we find a number of this kind of examples, our hope is that you will find it worthwhile to strengthen the influence of democracy in your African context, because you find it true that democracy is connected to indigenous African culture in several ways. So be welcome to this lesson and good luck.